Welcome to another Goodwin English lesson. In today's lesson, we will study the difference between good and well. The basic difference between these words is that good is an adjective and well is usually an adverb. So, how do we use an adjective? An adjective will describe or change a noun. For example, a good book, a good movie, a good idea. Here, the adjective good is describing the noun book. And here, it is describing the noun movie. And here, it is describing the noun idea. We can also use this pattern with adjectives. The book is good. The movie is good. An adverb changes or describes a verb. For example, he can sing well. Here, the verb is sing, and the adverb is well. We can also say, he can sing loudly. Here, loudly is the adverb. Or, he can sing beautifully. Again, beautifully is the adverb. When we use an adverb, be careful of the word order of your sentence. Usually, the adverb will come after the verb, like this. They played well. Or the adverb will come after the object. For example, they played baseball well. So now we understand adjectives and adverbs. What about good and well? The words good and well can be used with linking verbs. Now, what are linking verbs? Linking verbs are verbs that serve as a connection between a subject and further information about that subject. They do not show any action. They link the subject with the rest of the sentence. The verb be is the most common linking verb, but there are many others. For example, all of the sense verbs like feel, sound, smell. The sentences, I feel sad and he is fast, both use linking verbs. When we use linking verbs that refer to the senses, such as appear, taste, sound, smell, look, and seem, we generally use good. For example, the food tastes good. The house smells good. She looks good in that dress. The car appears good on the exterior. The idea seems good to me. When using linking verbs that describe health, like be, feel, or look, we use the word well. For example, I am not feeling well. She didn't look well last night and missed work today. He was not well and left early. He used to be sick, but now he is well. Be careful though. Many Americans will use good for many of these examples in everyday conversations. For example, I am not feeling good. She didn't look good last night and missed work today. When describing someone's emotional state, we use the word good. For example, he didn't feel good when he lied to his mom. I'm feeling good about the test results. He feels good about his decision. We feel good about our choice for candidate. Okay, let's take a look at some examples with good and well. Did the Giants win last night? Yes, they did. They played blank. So what should we use here? Good or well? If you look at the sentence, we can see that played is a verb, so we are going to be describing this verb. Well, which describes a verb? Good or well? Of course, the correct answer is well. Did the Giants win last night? Yes, they did. They played well. Let's look at another example. This is a really blank book. So, which should we use? Good or well? Here we have the noun book, so we will be describing a noun. Which describes a noun? Good or well? Of course, the correct answer is good. Now let's talk about some exceptions. Let's talk about some special situations. So before, I said that well is an adverb. Remember? This is true. But when we talk about health, the word well can be used as an adjective. So sometimes well can be an adverb, and sometimes it can be an adjective. Let's look at an example. Are you okay? No, I don't feel very well. No, I don't feel very good. In this situation, they're asking about our health, about our physical condition. So if we think about the grammar, the correct answer is well, because well is changing or describing the verb feel. But in everyday conversations, we often say, I don't feel very good. So if you are taking a test, the correct answer would be, I don't feel very well. But if you're talking with a friend, then both of these would be okay. Okay, let's do some practice questions. I'll show you a sentence. I want you to tell me if we should use good or well. Simple. I will give you 2 or 3 seconds to think about it. Good luck. Your English is very blank. Here, the blank is describing your English. This is a noun, so we need an adjective. The correct answer is good. You speak English blank. Here, the blank is describing the verb, speak. So, we need an adverb. The correct answer is well. I'm having a blank day. Here, the blank is describing the noun day. So, we need an adjective. The correct answer is good. Vegetables are blank for you. Here we are describing the vegetables, so we need to use an adjective here. The correct answer is good. You played the piano very blank at the recital. Here we are describing how they played the piano. Here, played is a verb, so we need an adverb. The correct answer is well. How are you? I am blank. This is a trick question. Both good and well can be used here. Today's homework is very easy. In the comment section below, please write 2 sentences. With one sentence, use the word well. And with the other sentence, use the word good. For example, my wife can't cook very well. McDonald's French fries are really good, but unhealthy. Well, that's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section below. If you liked today's lesson, please hit the like button somewhere and subscribe to our channel. Again, somewhere around here. My name is Randy League, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.